What's up, everybody? Welcome to our Friday video. Tom here, Russell there. And we have some really good S chassis parts. I've got some very rare parts that are going away, so get your pen and paper ready. And Russell has the kit, the mother of all kits.
Door hinge kit for an S13. Me and Tom were just going over this a while ago. I tried to stump him, and he gave me a BS answer about these hinge shafts. So back when we first came out with the kit, you're looking at the kit online, and you see four halves now. Now to make a whole hinge, you would need 8 halves, right?
Two
hinges per door.
Yeah, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces.
Right.
And that should be what's in this kit, I hope.
No.
Okay, interesting.
So the doors on the S13 have the other half made onto them.
Oh, so you cannot take them off.
Right.
Okay.
So So if you got some hinges on your doors that are messed up on the door half, you better try to fix them. But a lot of people, you can get away with doing the pins and bushings a lot of times, but some people, due to age and the fact that these have been worn out so long, these get worn out. Or they're bent or whatever.
Right.
But we have a kit. We also have all the stuff available individually. You get the pins, you get the bushings, you get the hinge halves, and you get new mounting bolts for the hinge halves. This is all you need, and you'll have brand new doors. Pretty much, you don't even know how much you need this.
They will
until
close
you put it on.
so nice after that kit.
I think we've gotten more comments from people on the hinges, the pins, the bushings, the door strikers, the bumpers, things like that people are like, wow, I didn't even know I needed that bad. My door closes so much better now. Door strikers. That's another thing too. We have kits for those as well. And if you are an S13 owner and you plan on taking care of that car and keeping it for a while, we're not joking when we say stuff is going away.
Right.
Which segues right into what you have.
Yes, so I do have, let's just talk right away about the discontinued part. This cigarette lighter assembly, this fits the 180SX and the S14 SIVIA and the R33. It also works in a WD-20. It'll probably work in other American models. I ordered this one in for myself because we had a mishap with the lighter in my Pathfinder. I have a WD-21 Pathfinder, and so I ordered this in, and before I came in here I wanted to check and make sure they're still available. Well, now they're discontinued. There's 5 left in the country. This one you see here is sold, but if you want to plan ahead, or if you need one, if the socket's all rusty, corroded, maybe you're missing the lighter part of it, you're going to want to order one as soon as possible. Nissan was selling nationwide 2 of these a month.
Yeah.
Right, so that's 24. So they're like, there's no point in us continuing to import this.
Right.
So it's going away. This right here, this is the skinny O2 sensor used on 180SX, S13 SIVIAs with the SR20 DET. These are, we only have one. Nissan does not have any. They're on back order with no ETA. So we don't know if they're going to be importing more from Japan or not. But if you need one, you want to get on this one right away.
Yeah, and to add to what Tom said about it being on back order, and there's none anywhere, no ETA, a lot of times with the Japanese parts, the system's not very good. The communication's not very good. So what happens is we'll put stuff on back order, it'll sit there for a year, and then they'll just turn it off. So yeah, when stuff like that happens, I know that you communicate to customers that, hey, might not be able to get this.
Right.
So
my last part today is the S15 SIVIA dash vent. I had a guy, he placed an order for one. There was no ETA on it, and he didn't want to sit around and not knowing if it was ever going to show up. So I placed an order with Nissan for one, and it took a while, but it did show up. S50, if you have an S15, you know your dash takes 5 of these. We have one in stock. Nissan only sells 3 of these a month nationwide.
And we probably sell them all.
Yeah. So if you need one, we got one. There is a few more available. So if you want to get all 5 nice, place an order ASAP.
Yeah. If you are a four-wheeling kind of guy, stepping away from S chassis for a second, go back to Wednesday. We're doing a little giveaway, some 4x4 door decals. You can put those on whatever you want. You can put them on your 180SX if you want to.
Look good on a toolbox too. If
Yeah.
I'm a Chuck Wednesday kind of guy.
I mean, whatever.
Or gal.
Do what you want to with them. Put them on your garage wall, door. Don't let your wife find out.
That's all I got.
That's it. Get yourself some S chassis parts. We still love you guys. I don't know if the feeling's mutual, but bye.
We're here for you. See ya.